The world is quickly aging. It is estimated that from 2017 to 2030 in Europe, the percentage of people over 65 will increase from 19 to 24%, a substantial leap from 99 to 124 million. It is thus necessary for all the countries to be prepared to face this demographic change, by analyzing factors that influence the health of elderly, starting from the individual aspects of aging and the environments in which these people live. Ensuring individual mobility remains one of the most relevant aspects, as it allows the elderly to maintain their independence, which is usually limited. Hence, Silverstream is born, a research project founded by European Commission Horizon 2020 program, which involves partners from various European countries, both companies and research institutes, whose main aim is to develop a new category of vehicle, which take into consideration the physical and cognitive decline of the elderly people, by ensuring ergonomics and ease of access, with the installation of smart accessories and the swivel car seat that not only enables easy access to the vehicle but also ensures comfortable and effortless driving. A mechanical assistant in the trunk of the vehicle makes loading and unloading of baggage practical with minimum effort and preventing injuries. Furthermore, an innovative HMI based on hand gesture recognition simplifies the use of auxiliary systems such as the navigation device, as well as the onboard control commands. The technologies implemented were tested in a control environment to evaluate the impact on physical and cognitive aspects. These tests involve the estimation of perceived and objective comfort, biomechanical analysis of movements related to vehicle access, the usability of aids in loading and unloading of weights, and lastly, the evaluation of the cognitive load associated to the use of the gesture control system. Thanks to the test results, we were able to improve each piece of technologies. Then, each technology has been integrated before the end of the second year into the first vehicle prototype. Final tests and validations were carried out in real-life context during the last semester of the project. In the first phase, carried out in San Raffaele Hospital in Milan, drivers over 65 were invited to use the internal components to test the ease of use and effectiveness. Getting in and out of the car was found to be extremely easy thanks to the rototranslation movements of the car seat, which ensures a reduced ranges of motion of the trunk and knees, as well as a lower activation of the muscles of the trunk and lower limbs. Moreover, the saddler is specifically studied and applied to the seat was able to offer greater perceived comfort in the driving position. Participants liked the interface inside the vehicle. Simple and intuitive, the integrated HMI system allows immediate access to the vehicle's auxiliary functions thanks to the already well-known and familiar touch and voice control combined with the more innovative gesture control. Drivers over 65 also highly appreciated the mechanical assistant and the lifting platform installed in the boot, which guarantees minimum fatigue and prevention from accidents during the loading and unloading of heavy and bulky objects. The second and last phase of the prototype's validation was carried out at the BRC headquarters in Cherasco. New drivers over 65, under the supervision of a team of experts, were asked to drive the prototype individually, carrying out specific tasks that are traceable to classic conditions of urban traffic, in order to evaluate its features and driving performance. The experienced test drivers found the Silverstream prototype just as safe as the other minicarts in the market. It guarantees not only a greater ease of parking, but also more agility in reduced space with fewer movements compared to another vehicle of the same category. The Silverstream vehicle is therefore at the forefront not only for the innovative components installed inside, but also for its driving dynamics. With its completely redesigned chassis, suspension and steering guarantees an agile and comfortable driving experience in urban area with easy parking maneuver and facilitates entry into traffic. A fully electric car with almost zero impact on the environment thanks to the state-of-the-art lithium-ion technology applied to both the traction and accessory batteries, thus ensuring quick energy release, lasting longer but weighing less. The strength of the Silverstream project are innovation and eco-sustainability. As a result, this project justified that an equipped vehicle can provide a smooth mobility for elderly to create a better society and environment.